So those were the 4 ways to make $500 per day on Instagram. But how do you exactly go from $500 to $1,000 a day? Welcome back to the channel, guys, and we are going to start with the first method. There I'll be showing you how you can actually make $500 per day on Instagram without posting anything, okay? And also later I will share with you how to exactly go from $500 per day to $1,000 per day. So now what's the first step over here for the first method is we are going to find an Instagram account who is in the need, okay? Basically it can be any Instagram account, but actually we can help them to get some of the results. So now we are simply going to hop onto the Instagram, and there I actually search for marketing. You can actually just come over here and just search for anything. So now let's see if we can find someone who we can actually serve. So let's say this account is having over 4,000 followers. We are not going to picture too much high clients like a million followers, because they will be getting so much stuff that they are not even going to reply to us, okay? They will be getting so much kind of like DMs. They are not going to have the time to reply to each of the DM. So we are going to stay between like 100,000 something like that. So now let's see over here the first account that we are going to see over here. So this account is like of, it seems like that this account is sending other to the group, some kind of group. I think it can be like yeah, it's a Facebook group. So what we are going to do now over here, we are going to simply reach out to this guy, because this guy is actually focusing on making money, kind of like expanding the audience with the help of sending them to the group, and thereafter they can actually promote something to them. So this is a really good fit for us. He's having over 43,000 followers. That means he can actually get good amount of traffic, okay? So now what we are going to do, we are going to simply hop on to the back to our step 2 over here, and step 2 is find where you can actually serve them. So we have actually figured out we can actually serve him by helping them to create a funnel. We can actually help them to create a landing page for them, and that's how we are going to help them in sustaining in a long-term business. So now the third step over here is actually reaching out to them, because it's not like that we are going to create a funnel for him and thereafter we are going to find that this guy don't even reply. So that should not be the case over here. Actually you can see over here that this guy has given the even the email, okay? So we can actually simply email, and also we can DM as well. So as soon as he is going to get the we are going to get back the reply, we are going to start preparing the funnel for him, and thereafter we will be delivering them. So we are going to make sure that this guy will be checking our funnel over here. So that's where the step 4 come. If they are going to reply, then only then we are going to start building the funnel and we are going to deliver our promise. So for that I'm going to use the builder all. I'm only going to create a simple page where this guy can actually give them something for free. For example, this guy is really good at Instagram. He has gotten over 43,000 followers. So what he can actually do, he can actually create a landing page and tell him how to get your first 1,000 Instagram subscribers, followers, whatever it is. So this is how he can actually give us some kind of free ebook, and thereafter he can actually collect their email, and later on he can even sell them a Instagram course. So now I will be creating a landing page, and we'll be back in a minute after creating the landing page, and you can also create the landing page in the same. So there we go. You can see that it literally took me few minutes to create a landing page, and it is going to help this guy a lot in making a lot of money. So now what we are going to do over here, we are going to simply hop on to the next step. So the next step over here, we are going to hop on to the fifth step over here. So let's see what's the next step. The next step is actually booking the strategy session with them. So what do I mean by the strategy session is we are going to tell them, hey, would you like to hop on a call with me, and so that I can actually help you to grow your business, and I'm not gonna take any charge, okay, and even I'm going to give you this funnel for free if you are going to hop on call. So on the call, I'm going to share with you how he can actually make a ton of money by sending them to this landing page, and thereafter following up and all those things. I can help you to make a lot of money, and whatever the extra money you are going to make, you can just give me 10-20% of that. Okay, so in this way we are going to give them deliver we are going to deliver the value first before we are going to ask them something, and thereafter we are only going to take something from whatever they are going to make extra. Okay, so that's how we are going to do this, and there are ton of now how you can actually grow this exponentially over here. Okay, so how you can actually help them, we can already done this, that they can actually create a landing page, they can actually start sending the email follow-ups, so that they will be able to sell their course, or whatever they want to sell, they can actually sell over there. So now what's the seventh step? The seventh step is actually confirm the services upsell. We are not just going to do like a we are not going to just only provide the email marketing service, but we can actually tell them, hey, I will be building the funnels for you, and you can pay me the monthly fixed price for that, and for all of the stuff like that I will be doing email marketing. So let's say if you are going to make $5,000 extra from email marketing, you can just give me 10% of that, and for the funnel I'm going to charge extra. So that's here we are going to make a lot of money, because if they can pay you $1,000 for getting $5,000, they will be very happy to pay us $5,000, $1,000 more for $5,000 more. So if they are going to get $10,000, they will be just paying us $2,000. It's a win-win situation for both of us. So now it's the time over here how you can actually expand this and can take it to another level over there. So for taking it to another level, we are going to use the guys which are already our client. So this guy will be happy, because if we can actually help them build an email list, his business will not be affected by Instagram. He can actually simply email and can make a lot of money selling courses, softwares, affiliate products, then he will be happy. And let's say if there is a one customer, okay, let's say if this is the one guy who is a customer and he is very happy with our service. So what we are going to do over here, we are going to tell him, hey, would you like to recommend us to your friend, and if he is going to join, I'm going to give you 100% discount on your first month. Would you be happy with that? He will be happy, and maybe he's going to share us to his 5 to 10 friends, and just 2 of them are going to join. Okay, 2 of them are just going to join, and thereafter this guy, you are going to tell him, hey, if you are going to send me another 2 guys, I'm going to give you $1,000 for free, worth of services for free. Would you be happy with that? So he's going to send you another 2 guys, and that way now these 2 guys will also be happy with you, because you are focusing on giving them delightful experience. Okay, and now you can actually give these guy will another send you 2 guys, so you started with just 1, giving them delightful experience, expand it to 4 within just a few days. So that's how the things actually work. And even you are going to give this guy the free funnel, this one, but you don't have to give all these guys the free funnel, because they are already praising you. You are being recommended by someone else. You are not just begging them, hey, just take my service at free trial, etc, etc. And this is where your business will be keep on expanding like crazy. You can even upsell them services like you can tell them, hey, I'm going to do the Facebook ads for you. You might be wondering, if I don't know how to run the Facebook ads, how the hell will I be doing that? You can simply hop on to fiverr.com and just start providing the service over there. Just tell them, hey, I'm going to do the Facebook ads for you. Tell this guy, and just outsource the service to the Fiverr and just keep the extra money. So that's another thing you can actually do over here. But what's the second method over here to make money on Instagram? So for the first method, we found some accounts who were actually struggling to make money with their account. But now it's the time over here, we are going to find the accounts which are not having the followers, but at the same time we are going to make sure whether they have money or not. So in order to find these kind of guys, we are going to simply hop on to YouTube. Okay, and as we can see on the YouTube, you can see my homepage over here. So Chat Ballot, this guy is having almost 20,000 subscribers on YouTube. So probably he's focusing on YouTube, he's focusing on Facebook, he's focusing on Facebook ads. You can easily find that by just simply clicking the link in their bio. You can simply check out the description of all these guys and can simply see whether how much followers do they have on Instagram. Okay, if they are not going to have a lot of followers, then you can actually tell them, hey, I'm going to give you free service to grow your Instagram account. Would you be happy with that? You are going to give them free service, and after you are going to deliver some kind of free service, for example, they have 0 followers, they don't even have Instagram account, you can grow their account to 5,000 followers, and then tell them, hey, would you like to take this service for growing your Instagram account to $1,000, $100,000 followers? He will be happy to do that because he knows now that you are really good at providing your service. For example, this guy Big Mark, he's having almost 200,000 subscribers on YouTube, but maybe he's not going to have the Instagram followers. So all you can actually do, just reach out to him, give him free service, help him to grow first few thousand followers, as a kind of trial, 5 to 10,000 followers. He will himself say, hey, just take this money, take $1,000 from me every single month and start growing my account. So that's how you are going to find the accounts. And you might be wondering, I don't know how to grow the Instagram account. So you have to learn some skill. There is a guy you can actually search on the YouTube, Joshua Pena. He's having, literally guys, he's having a great course on how to grow Instagram account. Okay, you can even outsource that by simply going on Fiverr, or you can outsource to some other services. Just learn some skill and grow their IG, and you can easily charge like $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 every single month just for growing their account. Okay, so what's the third method over here? The third method is actually getting the shout out. It's the easiest way to actually make money on Instagram without posting. So what you can actually do over here, you are going to reach out to the guys. For example, this guy, this guy was having near about 43,000 followers. Okay, so you can actually tell him, hey, I wanted to give you something like a $200, just do a shout out for me, and at the same time you can actually send them to your landing page. There you can actually give something for free and then start collecting the emails, and at the same time you should have a follow-up where you are going to help other people to learn something new. Whatever the people are coming to your email list, you are going to simply start sending them emails. For example, here they are going to come to your email list. There you are going to start sending them to the emails. Start sending them emails. Teach them something valuable on the first email. Teach them something valuable on the second email. And then just simply sell them on the third step. Okay, third email. Sell them a course. For example, you are teaching them how to get Instagram followers. On the first method, teach them how to get your first 100 followers, 1,000 followers. And in the second video, tell them how to increase engagement on the Instagram. In the third step, tell them a software on how to do the autopilot posting on the Instagram. And at the same time, just simply tell them, hey, you can use this software to do the automatic post on Instagram. Just, it's that simple. And thereafter, again, you can repeat this. Tell them how to get like 100 followers a day. In the second email, simply tell them how you can grow the Instagram account for free, whatever you want. And thereafter, in the third step, sell them a course. So that's how you are going to actually just pay them like $200. And let's say if you are going to reach out to any of the guy like having like 10,000 followers, 40,000, you can easily get someone having like 20,000 followers to pay them like $200. Okay, and let's say if only and only let's say he is going to get like 5% of the likes, 1,000 likes, and only 500 people are going to click the link. Okay, click the link and they are going to go to your page. You are going to get 100 emails. Okay, and out of those, you just two guys are going to buy your course of $200. That's $400, and you will be keep on making the money from 100 leads every single month. Just think about it. You only have to pay $200, and now you have $400. Just repeat that with 2 new influencer. You are going to make another 800. Repeat that with 4 new influencer, 8 new influencer. Just keep on growing exponentially. Okay. So now what's the another method over here is actually partnering with them. This is the fourth method, and this is my favorite method. A lot of people just say that I don't have like $200 to pay these guys so that they can actually arrange a shout out for me. It's that simple. Create a simple ebook. You don't need to give that for free. If you want, you can actually give that for free and follow the same strategy. Okay, but tell them, hey, whatever the money you are going to make over here, whatever the money I will be making over here, I'm going to give you 50%, and everything will be transparent. That's how you can actually do. Just create the course and start selling the courses. Okay, simply it's that simple. Create a course, create a $10 free $10 ebook, sell the ebook over there. Let's say if that guy having 40,000 followers, 100 people are going to buy a $10 ebook, $1,000. You can simply share the $50 with this guy, and this guy will be happy. Not 50 but $500. This guy will be happy, and you will also be. Okay, and then with those $500 you can start buying the shout outs. So that's how you need to have an open mind, because there are literally huge opportunities. Okay, and I believe that these 4 methods can actually help you to make $500. Now it's the time for bonus tip on how you can actually go from $500 to $1,000 per day. So for the first method, you can actually just start expanding with the help of giving them delightful experience. Just give them something like, for example, just tell them, hey, you are going to share with me your friend, I'm going to give you $1,000. But the catch is this, it's not here. Okay, for example, you are going to be successful at getting your first client. Okay, the first client is going to pay you like $500. Now what you can do, you can start running the Facebook ads. Okay, start running the Facebook ads, start selling your service on how to grow Instagram account, on how you can actually help them to grow their business with the help of Instagram. So you are going to spend like $500 over the money you earn, but if you can actually just get one client of $1,000 or maybe just $500, he will be paying you every single month. So just start investing the money you are earning into Facebook ads, YouTube ads, or anywhere else. Okay, and in the second method over here, grow their IG. What you can actually do, you can actually start selling the consulting. Okay, you can tell them, hey, if you want to talk to me personally, it's the price is like $500 an hour, $1,000 an hour. That way, that's going to be an extra money. You can even have consultants who will be doing the consulting for you. Okay, you don't have to do each of the things manually. And at the same time over here, as I told you, start buying the Facebook ads also. Whatever the extra money you are going to earn from the shout outs, spend some of the money on Instagram, spend some of the money on Facebook ads. That will be the extra money over there. Okay, you are going to make the money not just with Instagram, okay, but on the Facebook, from the email marketing, from everywhere else. So going from $500 to $1,000 per day is actually not a big deal. And here, partnering with them, start building a funnel. Okay, for example, don't just sell the ebook. Okay, don't just sell an ebook. And even if you are going to sell them an ebook, for example, you are going to sell an ebook of $10 over here. Okay, and as soon as they are going to buy a $10 ebook, start selling them a $100 course over here. Start selling them $100 course, and as soon as they are going to buy that, start selling a $1,000 consultation service to them. So that's how going from $1,000, $500 to $1,000 per day is really easy, but you have to put in the effort, get some of the results, and thereafter you will find yourself that going from $500 to $1,000 is much easy, because in order to go from 0 to $500, it's 500 times. But if you want to go from $500 to $1,000 per day, that's just 2 times. So I believe that this video has helped you a lot, and if you really like this video and want more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to this channel for more Make Money Online videos. And now I will see you in another video.